Hey everybody, David Likens here. Going to do a quick walk around for you on this 2017 Paddle King Low Pro Angler. This is a pretty cool little boat. It's only 13 feet 6 inches long from tip to tail. Weighs only 460 pounds. You do get 4 12-inch diameter pontoons under the boat to help basically keep it, obviously to keep it afloat. But the boat itself is basically 7 feet wide and will float in about 6 to 8 inches of water, which is pretty amazing. Really get you in some really shallow areas for fishing and whatnot. But as I walk around the boat, this is actually black and gray. I'm not sure if you can see here in the sun how you get a pretty good metallic color in the paint scheme there. But standard on the boat, you do get a standard live well pump, a standard live well mooring cover, bimini top and boot, and navigational lights on your mooring light there, and navigational lights up top. And what we installed on this boat is a MinnKotta 1-bank digital charger, a very simple 6-horse tiller handle steer motor. We mounted the fuel cell on the outside just to keep the extra storage. Give you a good look here of the 4 12-inch diameter pontoons under that thing. And the entire boat is basically made of aluminum and stainless steel. So all your screws are stainless steel, all your parts are aluminum. The decking is actually 3/4 inch marine grade plywood. What we did install also on this is Paddle King gives us the choice to where you can keep the bimini top up at an angle like this, and they do have a rail mount hinge pin here that we installed. So what that actually gives us the ability to do is lay that flat, so that way you have nothing disrupting a 360-degree fishing area. Or if you don't want the top, we actually put these removable pins on here so that way you can do a quick disconnect, just take it off, put it in your barn, your garage, your shop. That way it's out of the way. We also added on this specific boat some boat cleats. There's your LED navigational lights, some tie-off points here. And one thing to note, you can get a galvanized trailer or a powder-coated trailer with these boats. This one's sitting on a powder-coated trailer, and you don't even have to get a trailer. We sell and deliver a lot of these that are just going into a pond, and they're going to stay there, and you can just drag them ashore because they're so light. We actually use a golf cart to pull this around. Just uses a standard 2-inch ball to pull it and move it. So one other new cool feature that they added, we put on this boat, is this is what's called Paddle King's half gate. So it actually just makes it feel a little bit open. Obviously it swings open here, lift it up, swing out of the way. Just want to show you a couple other little quick things here. We're going to hop inside the boat. And what we installed here is what's called a swivel seat complete. So this seat actually is the base only, sticks up about 1/8 of an inch or less, so the whole post and seat can collapse and come out and just give you this whole area here to stand up and fish if you choose, or have it here just to fish in. So what we have here is the extra storage box and seat cushion top, so that way you can keep any of your fishing gear and stuff in here. Actually, look at that, live well, got it wrong. But you have your fill spout, your drain. You can use it as a cooler if you don't want to fish today. It's got a snap lock to keep the lid down for you. Then on the other side here, my ear, is your storage box. There we go. A lot of storage room, life vest, fish gear. We did install a fire extinguisher here on this boat. A pair of 5 1/4 inch speakers. We did actually even add a charge port here for your cell phone. And then for other entertainment purposes, give you a better look here, we actually put a AM/FM Bluetooth radio, again 5 1/4 speakers. Here's your switches for your bilge pump, for your live well, the navigation lights, mooring lights, auxiliary port and charger for your radio, and then the auxiliary light is just a little cool feature we had. So you turn that on, as you see it's lit up, and we put LED cup holders in. Let me give you a little shadow here. It makes great ambient light at night, helps you find your beverage. But again, it's just kind of a little fun little basic feature that we add here. And again, every one of these that we do and sell and ship are very specifically made for everybody. There's not really one alike. As you can see, it's got a transom mount, and here's your seats. So on this side, basically, is full storage. You can add a secondary battery for a trolling motor there if you want to. And then we go over here on the driver's side. Nice clean install, radio. Still gives you some storage there for some basic items. And then there's the plug for your digital charger that keeps up to, you plug it up to the wall and basically just walk away. So that way it's ready to go for you. But again, this is a low pro angler, black and gray. Seat cushions are optional. Again, the LED light cup holders are optional. If you want some more information, all the details on this boat and how to contact me is in the information below. Again, my name is David Likens. We do ship these things everywhere in the United States. So if you want one that's basic and very, very simple like this for a guy like you or a woman like you, we can make them that way. We can make them even more basic, or even add more features and options. We can put trolling motors, depth finders, fish finders on there. But again, we do have the ability to ship bulk. We are actually getting ready to send 10 boats out to Rockland, California. So if you have the need for 1 boat, 10 boats, or 20, we can service your needs. And again, my name is David Likens. My contact information and email below. And if you like this video, please give us a like and a follow. We appreciate you watching the video. And again, David Likens here, giving you a quick walk around here on this Paddle King Low Pro Angler boat. Thanks for watching.